Alright everybody, this is just a quick little video to show you how to use the Social Studies and Science homepage. I am just in the Social Studies course right now, but the homepage looks the same for Social Studies and Science. So for my Social Studies things, just like on Literacy, if the little finger pops up, it's something you can click on. So here you can click and learn about the Declaration of Independence and the 4th of July on National Geographic Kids. This will read you the first chapter of the book I Survived the American Revolution on YouTube. I'm not the one reading it, but it's the first chapter of the book. If you click the globe, it will take you to Google Earth, which is fun to explore different things on the Earth and see what you can find. If you click the black square, it takes you to National Geographic Kids facts about important African Americans. And if you click the We Can Do It poster, it will tell you about some important women and some of the things that they have done. Let's click on the American and British flags here and see where that takes you. This takes you to a tour builder and it shows you a map and real places. You can see over here on the side it tells you real places where there were events happening in the Revolutionary War. So you can go back, Independence Hall, you can click through and read about these places, and it will actually show you them on the map. They've got, don't zoom in like that. It's got little markers for the different places. There they are. So, just something you can get on there and explore. On Tuesday for your Social Studies time, it says explore your Social Studies homepage. That's what that is. This is where the Google Meet button is for when we have our combined Science and Social Studies Google Meet. This video will be here on the little help button. Miss Elliott will be putting links for some science things on her side. Here is a read aloud of the tiny seed. Now, just like in Literacy, I have a little calendar down here. You click on which day you want to go to, so Monday. Click on Monday to-do list. And there we go. You've got 2 pages. None of these have links. Some of these other ones will have links to videos to help you do the work, but Monday you don't have any links to click. These are all in your baggie of work.